Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. So children, say that in that previous video we discussed that the questions from worksheet 1A. So here in this video we are going to discuss the questions from worksheet 2. Okay, so see here, what is that first question, what they given? If A is to B is equals to 3 is to 2. So children, this is related to previous 1 and 1A. Those two worksheets also related to the ratio of two variables or two numbers or two ages. Okay, like that. Anything, the ratio of two same kind of quantities we did in that worksheet 1 and worksheet 1A. But here in this worksheet they given that the ratio of three quantities. The ratio of three same kind of quantities here. This is related to, here see, just observe that A is to B is to C. But previous two worksheets are also related to A is to B. Okay, that is in that form only, no, A is to B, which means the ratio of any two quantities. So, and in the same way here, how to find that? How to find that the ratio of three quantities? Here they given that A is to B is equals to 3 is to 2. A is to B is equal to 3 is to 2 and B is to C is equal to, we can write this one as B is to C is equal to 5 is to 4. 5 is to 4. Now how to find that A is to B is to C? So children, see here B is equals to 2 times and here B is equal to 5 times or 5 parts. Clear? Now how to make this one as A is to B is to C? Here we are have that one of the method is there, no, that is A is to B and here B is to C is there, means we have to take the product of AB. So A into B. A into B is AB. Next B into B, that is B square, is to B into C, that is BC. So this is the formula. That is the formula to find that A is to B and B is to C. To make it as A is to B is to C means this is the formula. Okay, or else if you forgot this one, just better to go for that method. Okay, so see here A is to B is equal to, they given that 3 is to 2 and B is to C is 5 is to 4. B is to C is 5 is to 4. See here 3 5s, 2 5s, 2 4s. Then you will get that value. 3 into 5 is 15. 2 5s 10. 2 4s 8. That's it. Is there any cancellations possible, ma? Cancellations not possible. So at that cases here we can go for that answer as 15 is to 10 is to 8. So the same option is there or not? Yes. 15 is to 10 is to 8. 15 is to 10 is to 8. Understand, ma? So here what is the formula? A to B is to B square into, sorry, is to BC. Clear? So see here, ma, second question what they given. Second one, if you divide 1160 between A, B, C. So here 1160 rupees divided among 3 persons. Those 3 persons are A, B and C. In such a way that A is to B is equal to 4 is to 3 and B is to C is equal to 2 is to 5. But previous worksheets questions that is related to one of the amount is there. For example, 216 is there. So that is divided among 3 persons. Directly they given that the ratio of 3 quantities. Okay, A is to B is to C, directly ratio they given. Some type of questions. But here how they given? A is to B ratio given as well as B is to C another ratio they given. So to make that one as A is to B is to C, in that cases, so again we have to apply the same concept what we applied in that question number 1. So here A is to B is equals to 4 is to 3 and B is to C is equal to 2 is to 5, which means A is to B is to C. Clear, ma? So again apply the same concept here. 4 2s 8, 3 2s 6, 3 5s 15. Any cancellations possible? Cancellations not possible. Now what they are asking here? Then the share of B. So this is A is to B is to C. These 3 people's share in the ratio 8 is to 6 is to 15. Okay. Now they are asking here what is the share amount of B. The person B. Who is that B here? Who is having how many parts here? 6 parts. Okay. So B's share is B's share is 6 by, here total number of parts. So 15 plus 6 plus 8, which is equals to 6 by, here 15 plus 6 is equal to 21, 21 plus 8 is 29 into, here 1160, 1160. Clear ma? So just cancel these two here. So how much you will get here? 29. 29 into how much is equal to 1160? Just check that. Divide that. 1160 divides by 29. Why? Because 29 is a prime number, no? So that's why directly here is this number divided by 29 or not. Okay. So 29 3s, how much you will get here? 3 9s, 27. 3 2 6 plus 2, that is 87. Okay, so that is less. Still something is required here. So 29 into 5. 5 9s 45. 5 2s 10 plus 4 14. So which is more than 116. So you have to go for that. 29 into 4. 4 9s 36. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 is 116. So we got now here. So 29 into 4 is equal to 116, and keep that 0 here also 0, and the remainder is 0. So 29 40s 1160. 29 ones 29 40s. Understand? So here what is the B share here? 6 into 40 is equals to 6 4s 24. So 240 rupees is the share of B. Understand ma? So is that answer is there? Yes, option C is correct. That is 240 rupees. That is the share of B. Clear? Yes. So see here question number 3. What is that question number 3? What they given? A, B and C investment. Okay. A, B, C invested 17,000. First person A invests here. How much ma? 17,500. Next B's investment is 20,000 rupees. B's investment is 20,000 rupees. Next C's investment is 22,500. 22,500. Okay, in a business, if they got a profit of 4,800 rupees, if they got a profit of 4,800 rupees at the end of the year, then the share of C, at the end of the year, then the share of C. So the person C's share is how much? Before going to find that, here first we have to take the ratio of the investments of A is to B is to C. Ratio of investments kept by A, B, C. So the ratio see here, 17,500 is to B is 20,000. C is 22,500. 22,500. Okay, so cancellation say here 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros gets cancelled. 175 is to 200 is to 225. Now cancel by 5. 5 3 is 15, 5 5 is 25. Clear ma? Yes. 540s and here 545s. 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25. Still again cancellation is possible by 5. 5 7 is 35 and here 5 8 is 40, 5 9 is 45. So what is the ratio here? 7 is to 8 is to 9. So they kept that investments in the ratio 7 is to 8 is to 9. So who kept that more investment here? That person is C only, no? Now here C will get that more profit. So what is the share of C here? Now C share is, okay, how many parts ma here? 9 parts out of 9 plus 8, which is 17. 17 plus 7 is 24 into, and what is the profit here? 4,800. 4,800 is the profit. Now here cancellations, 24 ones, 24 twos, 48, 0 and 0. Okay, so from this one, 9 twos, 18. So 1800 rupees is the profit. That is the profit of C. So that is the share of C. 1800 rupees. Am I clear to you, children? Yes. So here C is that answer. Next see that question number 4, what they are asking here. Yes, if A by 3 is equal to B by 4 is equal to C by 5 is equal to X. C by 5 is equal to X, where A plus B plus C. So before going to find that A plus B plus C is equal to, they given 3600 and find the value of X. So before going to find this one, first we have to write that A, B, C values. So A by 3 is equal to X, B by 4 is equal to X, C by 5 is equal to X. Okay, so from this one A is equal to 3 into X is 3X. And in the same way, B is equal to 4 into X is 4X. C is equal to 5 into X is 5X. Clear, ma? And here A plus B plus C is equal to 3600 they given. So A plus B plus C is equal to 3600. Now substitute those values here. 3x plus 4x plus 5x is equal to 3600. Clear? So here 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay, so 12x is equal to 3600. Understand, ma? From this one, x is equal to 3600 by 12. 12 ones and 12 threes, 36, and here 2 zeros. What is the value of x here? X is 300. Then the value of x is 300. So which option is correct, ma, here? Yes, option B is correct. That is x is equal to 300. Understand? Next, question number 5. So in that question number 5, what they given? The ratio of red balls, green balls and yellow balls. The ratio of red balls, green balls and yellow balls. That is in the ratio, those three also in the ratio 3 is to 2 is to 2. If the number of yellow balls is 12, then the total number of balls, so number of red balls is equal to 5x. Let number of red balls is 5x, number of green balls is 3x. Next, number of yellow balls is 2x. And in the same way they given in that question, a number of yellow balls is equals to here 12 yellow balls there. 12 yellow balls there. So from this one 2x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6. Now what they are asking, ma? Total number of balls. So how many red balls are there now? 5 into 6 is equal to 30 red balls. Next, here this is 3 into 6 is equals to 18 green balls. Already they given that yellow balls is equal to 12. So yellow balls 12 yellow balls. Okay, totally how many balls are there here? See, 8 plus 2 10, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6. So total number of balls is 60 balls. Total number of balls is 60 balls are there. So out of 60 balls, here 30 are red balls, 18 are green balls and 12 are yellow balls. Understand? So total number of balls is 60. Option C is correct here. Understand, ma? So children, here in this video we discussed that 1 to 5 questions. So in that next video the leftover 5 questions there. So those are all questions we will discuss in that next video. Okay, thank you all.